Meru nekanirite kirore na bia mabina bira birungamirite aritingugi bogima bwa muingi na rera mworoto jure kwagirithia uritingugi bubaga katikati ka thirikari ya kaunti na maabitha bogima ngwataniro iji ikoneni ataramu ba ugima bwa rera kiri muingi maabitha baruangi rwa ithimi kana medical laboratory officers ruangi rwa ndawa na kinya ruangi rwa utaramu bwa mirire.
Mbĩtĩkanĩrio na gwĩkanĩra kĩrore kwa ũritingugi gatagatĩ ka biama bina bia gũtetera aritingugi bwa ũgima bwa mwĩrĩ bwa mũingĩ na riera aba wenjani bwa ndawa aba gwita ũtungata bwa ithimi na kinya bwa gũtegera mĩrĩre ibũgĩtĩgĩte gatagatĩ kao na thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru bũgĩkũnjĩrwo nũro gwatĩrĩte kanya ka county secretary thirikari-inĩ ĩjĩ David Mbari akiuga thirikari ĩjĩ nĩ yakũthikĩra na kuigua.
It's a government that will listen to everyone. So going forward, I wish to promise my brothers and sisters here that we shall always listen to them. There isn't anything that will get out of our way without, first of all, sitting together, reasoning together, and chanting the way forward.
Mantu jaje maanisha ritingugebe na bakaretwe isheria kana uria muntu kwenda gwitithwa nkathi ukurukira recognition ria akomba gwitithwa muntu uria ningi utiandiki bwega recognition ruga na andiko bwega muntu uria ningi utieja kwa rutha ro kwita kunogoka recognition ruga nayo rutha ro kwita kunoka kukibukario county wega bwa mantu jaje kwithwa mandaktari bakara sibitari bagitaira kariba Meru ngugi
ni untu atwangire bangwataniro icio bakuga buture buremete kugitika kire thirikari ujikurukite na kuga nandi wendo na wirigiro bwa imantu jaje andikire mbitikaniro icio jambiri kuthingatirwa
borikana tukiuga ka document karenda karamu yake na ande karamu gakuoneka Meru tukusaina recognition agreement kira tukuga ke gatukobuka bana mutumate ka karamu kaunde karamu ka weekendere ga promote aritinguge ba afya karamu kare kendere ga andike aritinguge bange ba afya na etu itogwire twene tukumenya ngavana kuthithio ntunga bana baba aria nyuma batathithia tutwire mianka na 5 tukirira igitara kiraitu igitara kawira na wojo ngavana mutu twithinge no na tuthikira thai.
For the first time in this country, we are having one county signing 4 recognition agreements with the trade unions in this country. And we want to thank you, Bwana Governor, for helping us sign this RA. And that's what as you have agreed in our meeting that we're actually going to have an open door policy from here. We know things are actually going to be better.
Nkoroki.
Hakuna siku, sisi kama public tunasema hivi, hakuna siku utaona mgomo Meru. Because Meru tumekaa hapa na tumekaa na governor na tumeelewana na CS ya kwamba we are going to agree on very important issues as we go forward.
Tunatoka Cheweru TV, ni Edwin Gato.